stop me, always get around. Watch me walk. Watch me walk. Been through wind, fire, rain, and ice. And never make me think twice. Watch me walk. And get left behind. Don't you get left behind. Don't you get left behind. Don't you get left behind. Are you cold? You shivering? Oh, is it cold? It's just a breeze to me. I want your pain and memories. I give you both for free. And when the borders cross,
Good evening, everyone. With Eddie Olczyk and Ray Ferraro later on, I'm Mike Emery. Glad you've joined us for an exciting evening ahead. Tonight, we bring you a matchup you're going to like. Teams are just about ready. Eddie, what do you think?
Two teams that have two well-crafted game plans, but once the puck drops, anything can happen, Doc, as we've seen in the past. I believe the key to this game is who stays to their game plan will win this game.
Opening face-off is just seconds away. Lin Xiaoping's got the puck, and they get to make the first play. Nice play with the stick. Nothing more will come. Pass attempt to Connolly. Scooped up by Larson. Fires! Great point-blank save.
The goalie makes himself look big.
Rutgers have it along the boards. Oh, broke it up, and he's hammered.
Doc, no surprise there. We expected a physical game, and we're going to get one. That early hit is just an example of what we're going to see.
Lets a shot fly. Wonderful save. Lin Xiaoping setting things up along the boards. Drives to the crease. What a reaction save. Great take, dangerous area. He scores!
Presence of mind to get to the front of the net, open up, and one time it in past the goaltender.
This goalie's known for having a lot of try in his game. He never gives up on the play, just not enough to make the save in this case.
Some shots, only one goal.
A lot of opportunities. Love the mindset of getting pucks and people to the net.
And they take that neutral zone face-off. In the defensive zone, hanging on to it. Lin Xiaoping's got possession in neutral ice. Just a backhand. Robbery there. Rutgers are out of their own end. Wanting to generate something up the wing. Nice job, straight stand-up poke check. Can't get a shot on. Puck loose, now picked up. Rutgers have it up the wing. And he gains the zone. Lets it go. A wonderful save in the goal crease. Gets in, and he'll look over his options. Shoots. He scores.
You get this close to the goaltender, the puck on your stick, you got to snap it quick.
Whoa, it looks like his trapper's got a hole in it there, Edzo. He gets beat low to the glove side.
Solid win at center ice. Now what? Rutgers in possession as they travel through.
Time of the goal.
Good position in the slot. He retreats now, getting back to his own end. It's on his stick up that left side. Lin Xiaoping's in their own end and in control of the puck. Continues on back a little farther. Making headway up the boards. Using the point, he's got it. Not a free puck now. Great job with the neutral ice interception. Sends to the point. Nice tip of the pass. Gives it on a cross from the point. With a drive. He missed the net.
Oh, that shot had a lot of steam on it. That just missed wide of the net.
Loose puck. Solid defensive play there.
Good opportunity to regroup here after that save, but now they got to win a defensive zone faceoff.
Routine stop for the goaltender. The shooter's going to have to do a much better job challenging him.
Beat him on that one. Rugla's controlled the play at center. Gets across, looks over his options. Lets it go. Could this be icing? And it will be, based on the defense arriving first. Good face-off win. Waffle boarded.
1 minute left.
We're in the last minute. Let's see if anything changes. Has a chance to make a play through the corner. First period has come to a close, a hard-working period. They deserve a rest, and now they get one. A pair of pucks entered the net in that period, both from the same set of sticks. It's 2-0. 20 minutes in the books, 20 minutes ahead. Edzo, what did you think of the first?
Rugla's lucky to still be in this game after the first period. They had turnover after turnover. I'm sure the coaches addressed that problem in the intermittent.
Lin Xiaoping's moving it up the wing. Lets a shot go. Held there for a face-off coming up next. Quick shot. Little pass from his goalie here. Rugla's with possession along the boards. Thinking maybe his goalie's got a better idea. Closer to him now. Gains the zone. Moves to the corner. Waits from the corner. A shot. That hit somebody. Looking to Connolly. He's got that at center. Good hand to eye. And the reach of the stick. Shoots one off his helmet mask. Puck covered, whistle blown.
I don't know if he's going to make a save much easier than that one. He's in good position. It's a rather routine stop.
A little under 5 minutes have been skated here in the second. 2 goals have been scored, both by one team. Pass to the slot. Good quick poke check there. Has it in his own end. Right there on the money, the left wing pass. Shoots one. Save, but just barely. Bad luck. Broken stick. Rutgers through the neutral zone have it. He's in on an onside play. Loose puck, not stick handled well there. Shoots it on. All a part of generating an offense. Little pass off from the goal. Lin Choping's and up the wing. He scores! 3 straight goals.
Edzo, sometimes you just get so lucky. He's not shooting the puck there. The goaltender's fooled as the puck doesn't come with any velocity at all.
Lin Choping's got a 3-0 lead. They've had the puck almost the entire time. What's going on here? They've got the draw. Propelled to Roy. Gains the zone. Ripper! You can almost count that one, but no, what a save. In the slot. Rutgers lugged that along up the wing. Goes back deep for it. Cut through the neutral zone. Wrist shot. Grabbed.
You can't ask for a better opportunity in the scoring zone. What a great glove save.
Little under 9 minutes remaining in the second. Do you see a pattern developing here? They're up now by 3. Rutgers controlling play now through the neutral zone. Gets in, looks over his options here. That puck careened out of play over the glass. Didn't look like anybody got hurt there. Quick work on the faceoff. Slid to Connolly. Knocked off the puck. Lin Choping's in their own end, carrying it on. Hatchets one. Terrific glove save, but it's loose. Defensive zone win. Rutgers in their own end in possession as they travel. Nicely into the zone. Larson's lugging it in his own end, headed northward. Carries it to the corner. Right to the point. Pass cut, strong play. Rutgers through the neutral zone, carrying on. To the point it comes. Outstanding save. Oh, they had a great chance. Right play, right pass up the right wing, and it's on his stick. At the front of the net. A lightning-like glove save. From the outside. Not there.
And he powdered that. That one-timer just missed wide.
Can he clear? Trying to go to Colbert. Goalie to the bench, arms still in the air. Substitution made. One team is going to be short from this. Let's see what the call is. Lin Choping's been assessed a minor penalty. 2 minutes, and the call is tripping. And so begins power play number 1. Let's see if it's power play goal number 1. He throws it there, blockered away. Clock continues to get to the smaller numbers here, but there may be time for another rush. "40 minutes have been played here, and still more to go. A well-deserved rest is at hand."
Fans tonight are world-famous Glen Bistro.
40 minutes have been played. They are getting ready for the third period here. So take us back through the game. What do you think, Eddie?
Lin Choping's coaching staff, Doc, told us before the game they wanted to get off to a good start, and they have in a lot of areas, especially on the scoreboard. They are well in control of this game. Let's see how they play it the last 20.
Looks over his options from the corner. Shot, terrific challenge, outstanding save.
You talk about cutting down the angle, perfectly executed by the goaltender.
Oh, and he's hammered
Very often.
And they are in. Lin Xiaoping's waiting to get things organized in the defensive zone. Gets in. What'll he do? Picks it up back there. Rugla's through the neutral zone, glide along. He's all alone. Nicely patted away. They've got it. Great job on a cut pass. Shot back to the other end, and that means icing. A little under 4 minutes have passed. There have been 3 goals in this game. They've all come from one team. Shoots. They score! They only trail by a pair.
The goaltender was surprised at how quick that snapshot got on top of him.
A lot of times the goaltender feels like his positioning is perfect and he's got the net covered. Guess what? He doesn't.
Rugla's have gotten this game back to a 2-goal deficit for them. There's still time here in the third. Let's see what happens next. Broke that play up at center. Gets in. What'll he do? A shot. Oh, what a stop.
A quick developing play right in front. Almost looks like he's too close to the goaltender.
Big drive, and he missed it.
He had enough room to unload the shot. He got all of it, just missed wide.
Rugla's looking to head man up the wing. The stick can break up a play, and it just did. They battle on up the wing. Loose puck, it went off somewhere. Moving it now up the wing. Fires! Save! Shoots! Got his glove on it! Makes that play deep. That puck's loose. Good defense. Gains the zone and looks over his options. Terrific glove save! Another save! A shot! Just wide with the shot. Marched narrowly inside. That play goes offside. And here's Ray.
They say goaltending's 50% of the game, guys. Unless you don't have good goaltending, then it's 80%. It has been more than 50% brilliant tonight. Can't ask for much more than what we're seeing right here.
A spectacular performance for him, Ray. Eddie and I have talked in the intermission about how we can think of at least 3 or 4 that are going to wind up on a highlight reel. And that's a face-off win. Rugla's have gotten to the neutral zone. And so now a penalty will be handed out. Lin Xiaoping's given a minor here for tripping.
He's got great stick positioning. Stick is on the ice, but unfortunately takes the skates out from under him. The power play is all about adjustments. They need to find a way to get more people and pucks to the net.
I sure agree, Eddie. We're expecting that to happen here. Let's see if it does.
Time of the penalty, 11 minutes, 32 seconds.
Attack zone possession here. To the backhand. Chooses the corner for this. Backhander to the net. Looking for options. Pressure mounting here. Heading down low. Waits with it. Hangs onto it. Gets it back. Rugla's in control of the puck through the neutral zone. Lin Xiaoping's paddled aside. Gathered up again by Larson. It's an onside play. Breakaway! Got the pad on it.
The goalie's seen a lot of rubber tonight. His team defensively hasn't helped him out very much, but he's turned aside almost everything, and as a result, they have the lead.
Tries to get it on net. Lugged along the line. Bodied off the puck. Rutgers look to make a difference up the wing. Shoots one. Got his stick on it. Over 3 minutes remaining. Lead was 3. It has become 2. And the clock still shows time remaining. Time enough to get a pair, maybe 3. Puts one on. Goalie's one of the 6 guys on the ice. He can pass. He did that. That one goes back in where a goaltender can make this play, not a defenseman or forward. Good jab with the stick there. Approaching the final minute in this game. Good, solid defensive play with the stick. Rutgers have control of the puck in their own end. He gains the zone. Shoots one. Wonderful save on a terrific scoring chance. Whistle blown, play stopped. The referee will hand out a penalty. Rutgers have been handed a minor penalty for tripping.
Well, in desperation mode, all he was trying to do was sweep the puck away, but unfortunately caught the player's skates.
There's always a start to your power play night, and this is number 1. They won that faceoff. Can they clear it?
2 minutes.
Laid on to Connolly.
19 minutes, 23 seconds.
Into the attacking end. Breakaway! A snow angel, and he sealed it. The cage is vacant. Chance-taking time. So important to win the next face-off now. And they've won that draw. Good shooting place. Gives it over to the point. Takes that pass from the other point. Scooped up. And they've got it again. Net open, score! And that's this one. It was a big score, a victory, and a decisive amount of time that the winners had the puck.
Coaching staff has to be extremely pleased with the energy and effort that their team played with.
So that is it for this one. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. For Eddie and Ray, Doc saying good night all.